Now this is honestly just a specialty, a wonderful view to the Bay of Samaná. Honestly, just so beautiful. There is a private beach for the residents, and just beside us is the island Bacardi. Hello there my dear friends, and today I will be showing you a wonderful residence, Vista Mare, that is located nearby a city called Santa Borda in Samana. And it is right on the beach of the Bay of Samaná. And from here you can even see the island on the island of Bacardi. And here we have places that you can buy and also rent out. In conclusion, well, for me at least, it is my favorite place to go on a small vacation because of the wonderful view that is directly behind me. Just wonderful. And by the way, the residence is called Vista Mare. The apartments here are quite big, and here's the terrace that I'm located on right now. And the size of this apartment is around 1,560 square feet. And with it includes 2 bedrooms and a big living room. And here's the living room slash kitchen with everything you need, all the electronics and furniture. So the basics, you know, a refrigerator, oven, even a dishwasher, which is not in any other place, by the way, and an electric stove. And here is the refrigerator, a quite small one. Now, of course, everything is working. And again, there's 2 bedrooms here, and both bedrooms have an entrance to the terrace. You know, kind of like a hotel room. In this bedroom, there is 2 beds, so you could use it possibly as a kid's bedroom. We also have a nice and big wardrobe, and of course, the bathroom. And of course, it has everything you need. So a bathroom, of course, a shower, and a sink. And again, of course, everything is clean and tidy. Now, of course, this is just an idea. You could add a few more paintings to brighten up the area. But in whole, you do not need that. It already looks extremely good. Now, again, a big living room. Now, let's check out the second bedroom. And of course, this is probably more like the master's bedroom with a big bed. And everywhere in the house there's AC units, and it's central, so you can obviously change the temperature of the AC. And there is 1 AC unit in every room, so living room, bedroom, other bedroom, and so forth. Anyways, a nice and big wardrobe, and it also has a safe with it. And here is the second bathroom. Again, nice and tidy and clean. And here above us is a window, nice for airing out the area. And to the left of us is the toilet. Here it is. And like I said earlier, there is in every bedroom a entrance to the terrace, and here it is. Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning and the first thing you see is this wonderful view to the bay. And even down there, further back, you can see the island of Bacardi. And that kind of brings an end to our small little video today.
Конечно, выход на террасу. Вот, вы просыпаетесь, и у вас такая красота открывается из ваших окон. Видно Бакарди.
Again, the residence is called Vista Mare, with a view to the Bay of Samaná and a island of Bacardi. So this is the apartment. Again, the area of the apartment is 1,560 square feet. And the price to buy this wonderful place is $210,000. And of course, there is bargaining. And then in a later video, I will show you a similar apartment with only 1 bedroom. And of course, the price will be a bit cheaper. But that's the end of this.